They left you out in cold. They ghosted you. Okay. Today I've been receiving this emotion, feeling, this backstabbing, cheating emotion from my collective, and uh, uh, it's not just my collective. Anyone who is gonna receive this reading feels that their person has ghosted them. They left them in cold. Welcome on this reading, guys. It's Shreya Khanna's channel, and well, you're watching a tarot card reading, and this reading is gonna be timeless. Whenever you receive this reading is gonna be for you at that time. Okay, God wants you to know that you feel these emotions within you. You feel this disconnect from your person's side to you. Okay, this is a situation where there is no contact with this person. Maybe divine made you stop talking to them after they did what they did. Okay, you feel that this person has not contacted you. You feel that why this person has not contacted you after you left. You feel that they ghosted you, and now there is a confused feeling inside of you that is it you who ghosted them, or is it your person who ghosted you? Okay, so I feel there is a very mirror situation that is in this. Okay, you feel you could have this particular feeling that the person who you are dealing with is not a good person inside. Okay, that could be your feeling in this particular relationship after no contact, that all the energy that you put into this person, or maybe the energy you put into this relationship to work, okay, that has not been enough for this person that you're dealing with. Okay, it could be a male, it could be a female, your no contact. Okay, so take it how it resonates, right? All right, so guys, today you are receiving this reading just because this is a collective feeling. Okay, this is a general reading, and take what resonates and leave what does not. You may be interested in booking a personal reading. Okay, book it with me on WhatsApp, and the number is given in the description box below. Okay, so guys, this is a general reading. When you take a personal reading, there is gonna be difference that you see, and I don't need to tell you, because you guys already know that there is gonna be difference in that. Okay, let's do this as a general reading. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so you receive all my videos, and comment down below. Okay guys, I want you to write down something in the comment section. I will tell you after I, or maybe in between, I will tell you what you need to write down in the comment section today. Okay, because this has been coming to me as a divine message. It's not my message, it's divine's message that has been coming to me. What you need to write down in the comment section, but I'm not going to tell you just now. Maybe in the reading, or maybe after that I've done the reading. Okay, all right. So thank you, God, for giving us this reading. Thank you, universe, for giving us this reading, for providing my viewers this particular general reading that they are watching right now. They feel that their person ghosted them, and their person has not got in touch with them. They have not received a communication from their person. Let's see what your cards are. Radhe Radhe, Radhe Krishna. I'm just going to find out whether your feeling is, correct or not, because you definitely feel ghosted. You definitely feel betrayed. They have not spoken to you. Okay. let's see. We have the strength card. That's in the reverse. Okay, no, not a problem. The strength card as, okay. Something's telling me that your intuition is correct. Something's telling me that you literally waited for this person to come back. This is Four of Wands. Okay, this is coming in as, you know, you literally waited for this person because you had this amazing feeling for this person. You wanted things to work out. Okay, and your intuition is on point that yes, this person and you were supposed to be married. Okay, you had this right connection. There is Six of Wands. Okay, there is Six of Wands again, guys. All I've received is fire energy up till now, and there is the Empress card. Okay, so fire signs, you're coming on very strong. Leo is coming on very strong. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is coming on very strong. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I just received sign from you, and something is telling me that your intuition is on point. You loved this person. This is a heart energy. Okay, there is Three of Pentacles also. Okay, let's see. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is here up till now. Let's see. Number 3, number 4, number 6 and number 8 is coming on. There is Ace of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you are here. Okay. You guys already know something. Let's see. That's the Devil card we received. Capricorn energy. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna do this reading very straightforwardly. Okay, because see, when there is some kind of emotions that you're, you know, stuck up in, I definitely have to take the lead in this particular video. I cannot go into your emotions today. Okay, because I can see those, that your emotions are attached to this person, right? And there is the Moon card. What did I say? That's the Pisces. Your emotions are so much invested in this person that I cannot take that road today. Okay, the emotional road today, I cannot take that. I'm telling you this before I have, you know, started telling you what the cards are. Okay, see, you have to listen to this particular reading in a way that, you know, I'm going to take you out of it as much as the divine shows the way. Okay, I'm not saying that you will be out of this relationship. I'm saying that you will be out of your emotions road for now. Okay, something you will receive as, you know, as a strong reading today. A strong reading, which means that something is telling you, you know what, you may have waited for this person a lot. You may have been taking on the emotional road a lot, and this time you have to think logically. This time you have to talk yourself out of it, or something that you're feeling that is not serving you right. Okay, so you can receive something of a strong message here, and I cannot take your emotional side today, by the way. Okay, there is a Knight of Wands card. Okay, there is Eight of Wands card. All right, thank you. There is the Sun card. Right, let me see one more card. What was the past? What was the past that they're dealing with right now? You're dealing with the past right now. What was the past that they're dealing with right now? There is the Emperor situation here. Emperor and the Empress are here. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Let's take one more card for your upcoming time. What can actually serve you? What can actually serve you? What is the right thing? There is Six of Pentacles. One more card, please. One more card. There is Ten of Cups. Okay, guys, there is a brand new beginning, okay, at something, and I'm gonna start telling you what exactly this reading has come up to, okay. See, there is something that you have lost your strength in. There is something that is making you lose your strength time and again, because there is some kind of cycle, okay? There is some kind of in and around cycle that has been making you feel this way, and you cannot get out of it, okay? You just have to, in a click, you have to make something logical. This is too much emotional, this is getting too much emotional, and I have to get out of it with a logic. Okay, use your logic right now, okay? Because why I'm saying this, because time and again when you think of this person, the marriage comes up, the awesome relationship comes up, the synchronicity that you have with this person comes up. I have 11 6 at this moment in here, okay? The reason I'm telling you this, there is this, there is this strength that you need from inside. Nobody can give it to you, okay? Until and unless you have that fixed inside of you, what is bothering you inside, you cannot come out of it, no matter how many forces help you to get out of it, unless you are, trying to get something clear from your head, okay? Now you feel that this person sabotaged you, this person had some kind of, different kind of person that they are dealing with, or maybe yes, they were dealing with someone else, or at least you think that, okay, you think that this person was interested in someone. Yes, they were. They chose their friends over you. They chose their friends over you. They took all of your efforts, they took all of your energy, and yes, they invested in someone else. And let me show you this. They invested in someone else. The cards don't show up for no reason, they show up for a reason, okay? They invested in someone else. There was a god, and there was a demon that they had to choose between. They took all of their good side and gave it to someone else here, and I can see that, okay? Now I'm going to tell you this, that it's not just who they are at fault. You have to look something within you, okay? Where did you go wrong? And I know by now you have told yourself a lot that you may have done this wrong, you may have done that wrong, but not with them. Not with them. What were you doing not right to yourself? That's what is coming on today. What you're not doing right for yourself is telling yourself every single time what this person did to you. I see that. This was the past, and you're telling that, you know what? I am not positive about this person. I don't want this person in my life. No, they are this ideal match for you. This is the Emperor and the Empress. You guys are ideal matches for each other, unless you want to change your Empress energy and, start looking at life differently. But no, that's how your divine nature is. You are the Empress or the Emperor, but you are the Empress, and I see that your past is the Emperor. Something is telling me that um you let the, okay, so how do I tell you this? You let something, you make up a thing, and that is not like, you're not doing it consciously, it is happening unconsciously, subconsciously, okay, on a deeper level in your head, or or maybe in a deeper level in your emotional side. This is why your emotions need some kind of logical answer to some kind of situation that you're dealing with. Now I'm going to tell you this. There is some kind of thing that is happening with you subconsciously, and what is happening, that you are letting that subconscious thing take control of you, because that has not been a conscious decision. It has been made for you. The subconscious mind has been, going on a certain emotional zone, and you have to get out of that. You have to get out of that logically, okay? Because of the logic can only save you. It's not even just the logic, it's more like you have to take a next step. You have to take a next step when when you're too emotional about yourself, when you're too emotional to let this thing take place in your head. And see what is written here, the devil card. Okay, I'm gonna read it. Okay, you may feel like outside forces are restricting you, leaving you feeling powerless and victimized. However, it is an illusion of devil. You are in control of your own destiny. This is what it is. Okay, so this is coming in very, very straightforward because um, this is a collective energy reading. Okay, this is a general reading, and let me tell you, there is Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Aries. Leo is coming strong, Capricorn, Taurus, and Pisces and Aries. These are the signs that I've received. If these match with you, the reading does. Okay, let me move on to the numbers. There is number 0. Okay, you may need to focus, or you may need to ground your energy right now. Okay, you may need to focus on nothing right now but the 0. Okay, apart from that, the numbers are number 4. Number 4 is strong. You are supposed to marry this person. Okay, the emperor, the 4 of wands, and the empress, they are supposed to be married. You guys are supposed. So I'm not saying that it will happen. I'm not saying that you make your efforts to do it. No, what I'm saying is the cards are saying that your energy and this person are supposed to be with each other. And if that's not working out up till now, there is something that is, that is going to take place. So wait until that actually happens, because you have to change a little bit of yourself also. And the numbers are number 4, number 8, number 6. Number 3 is also very strong. Number 1, number 0, number 15, number 18, number 8. Wow, 8 is also very strong. Number 10 is just once. Okay, number 19 and 6 is also very strong. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 8, strong numbers. Okay, now this person wants to be with you. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this person wants to be with you. They want to see you grow, they want to see themselves grow with you. So when you think, when they are in love, why they let you go? Okay, let me see why they let you go. Is because, you know, they thought you were not giving them enough attention. Okay, why they let you go is because they thought you were not giving them enough attention. They needed, I mean, I'm not saying it's your fault, I'm saying they needed more. I'm saying they needed more attention from you. Okay, now they wanted you to fulfill your dreams, they wanted you to have it all in your life, not with you. So they wanted you to have it all. Okay, but then I see that they are coming in, and you are some like you're something nervous, you're something fearful, something like that about you. Okay, it's telling me that they are coming in, and this is why you're feeling nervous these days. They are coming in with you know with some kind of talking to you. Okay, they want to tell you that what happened in the past. They want to tell you that, is it them that they had given up in this relationship, or they want to tell you that why actually they did what they did. So yeah, if you want to claim this reading, I'm going to tell you to do one thing. Okay, this was a divine's message, it's not my message. Okay, so I told you what you need to write in the comment section. In the comment section, you need to write down what's your story about this person with you. Okay, you need to write down your feelings as much as you want to. Take your comment section, take the comment section as your space. Okay, because the comment section is more like your story, what you feel after watching this video, what this video made you realize after watching this. So yeah, in the comment section, what you are gonna write is your story. Okay, your story is something that can help you, you know, have more realization of what you feel inside of you. Okay, write it down that you want to get something right in your life, and I see that will before before we move on to the next point, this is your future, how it looks like. Equal give and take. Sun card. Okay, the bright future, equal give and take, and there is the marriage with this person. This person is going to be asking you to marry them. This person is going to be resolving all these things, all those things that they messed up, or where they messed up, or where they couldn't, um, couldn't commit to you, couldn't uh, take on their responsibility in this relationship. I just see that there is a lot of growth coming in for you. I see that this person wants to come back. I don't know how many things that you feel inside, or what are those emotions that make you stuck, make you feel stuck inside of you. I don't know that, but I know they treated you bad. I know they treated you worst. I know they treated you that they were the logical person and you were all emotional person. Okay, now something is telling you that accept your softer side. I get this. Okay, I get this part when I told you that you are all emotional, okay, and this is why your your softer side is not receiving those those care giving to yourself. Okay, so your softer side needs to be there in order to match with your future vibration. So your future vibration is you guys are going to be equal give and take. Okay, there are so many marriage cards. Let me show you. These are the two marriage cards you're supposed to be with each other. This is Four of Wands, this is Ten of Cups. Okay, they want to marry you, and you're right about this. All you need is a little bit of strength. The number 3 is coming on, the strength is coming on. Okay, number 4 is coming, your heart, your softer side, that's coming. Okay, apply some kind of logic. Okay, get out of your emotional zone, and if you can't get out of it, try to be in those emotions for some time. Okay, and consciously, not like I have given in, I am not trying, like I am not missing them, I don't want them to text me. No, not like that. What you actually feel. If you feel that you love them, accept it. Okay, accept to yourself, irrespective of no judgments to yourself. Okay, if you feel like you love them, tell yourself, I used to love them, I loved them, and this is what I feel. Okay, if you want to do this activity, do this. Okay, then you tell yourself that I feel betrayed. Okay, and why I feel betrayed is the next question. So make this a, carry forward conversation consciously, and reach to your own emotions, what you actually feel. If you tell yourself that, you know what, I feel like fighting with them, tell yourself that, but don't actually fight with them. Okay, tell yourself why you want to fight with them. Tell yourself why is it, you know if you've been there for so many years, so many months, so many days, tell yourself what answers do you have from the universe. Tell yourself what answers do you have from this person. Tell yourself what answers do you have from yourself. So that's what I want you to practice. And if you can't do that, and you just want to keep looking at the tarot card videos and tell yourself that, you know what, all of the readings does not match to me, all of the readings match to me. No, no, honey, no. It's something that you have to do for yourself in your own present consciousness, that you are living in the burden that you're carrying. Okay, when you're carrying a burden, you're not living in it, you're trying to ignore it. You're trying to ignore your burden that this person gave you, and this is why for the last so many years you have not been out of it completely, because you're trying to ignore it. Okay, now tell yourself that, you know what, I've been there for this long. Okay, now what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Do I want to feel like in my head, oh, they're coming, they are not coming, they loved me, they did not love me, all of those reasons, all of those actual things. So there is a positivity in your head about them. They coming up, they talking to you, and there is all negative stuff in your head also, that they did this, they did that, they don't deserve me, and all of that. Get it out of you. There is gonna be one last feeling that you're left with, and that feeling could be, you want to wait, or that feeling could be you don't want to wait at all. Okay, you want to live your life along, you want to continue, but solving and being in it and letting it. So you want to let it go, right? Let it go one by one. Tell yourself what you want to let go. Okay, you want to let go of the betrayal, let go of it. It's that simple. Okay, if you want to let go of the feeling where they chose someone else, let go of it. Choose your humanity, choose your kindness, choose your love for yourself, choose your health for yourself, and stop wasting your time that, you know what, they chose someone else over me. Yeah, they did, maybe. It's coming like that. They did. They chose someone else, but it was not the God's plan for them. For them, it was not the God's plan that they chose this, and they made you choose this too. You know what? Let me tell you this. They made you choose this too, and you chose this. You chose to, let someone else be in your feelings, be in your head, and, tell you something else which God is not telling you, right? So, again, I'm going to read this card again, okay? You may feel like outside forces are restricting you, leaving you feeling powerless and victimized. However, it is an illusion of the devil. You are in control of your own destiny. You are in control of your own destiny. Take that control back, and do not give this negativity even a single touch from yourself. Okay, don't say that they betrayed you. No, say that they chose what they had to. Okay, it may have devastated you within for some time. Okay, but tell yourself that, I choose my happiness, my positivity again. And say yourself that, you know what, I am sorry to myself that for the past this long that this person has done this, I have been telling myself that they have done this. You have nothing else to say about this person. And you know what? You're repeating this. You're repeating this again and again to yourself. That they did this, they did this, that's why I feel this. No. Then you're giving them all the power. Then you're giving what they did for one time to destroy your, how long you've been sitting like this, telling yourself this. And you know what? You have choice today. I'm giving you choice. The choice is either you feel this, either you feel this and continue feeling this, or you stop feeling this way now. You stop feeling this way now. You have these two choices to make today. Okay? If you want to stop feeling like this again, tell yourself, I'm sorry to myself. I'm sorry that I feel this way, even up till now. Okay? Do some Ho'oponopono meditation for yourself, for those years, those months, those days that you've wasted for this person. And move on. Move on, at least for happiness. I'm not saying that this person is not yours. This person is all yours, baby. If you're feeling insecure that this person is gonna cheat on you again, ghost you again, then it's their choice. It's not on your karmas. Okay? If they've done this in the past, they're gonna come towards you and they're gonna explain to you that it was all them. Okay, and you don't need to spend even one single minute to be wasted of your own time and energy. What they did 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 10 years ago, 4 years ago, and make that feel you empty inside, hollow. Basically, something is telling me you need to work on your solar plexus. Something is telling me that you need to work on your strength more, and that's your confidence, that your solar plexus. Okay, so yeah, solar plexus, the sun card. Okay, that's on fire. Okay, now you are someone who has energy. Okay, it's you who put your energy at a certain place. Okay, be conscious for half an hour. Okay, be conscious for half an hour and talk to yourself about how they made you feel. Okay, first you tell yourself how they made you feel, then you tell yourself, why am I feeling still this way? I don't know how long you've been in this, because I read someone's comment yesterday. They told that they've been like this for 5 years. And I've been reading your comments lately, and I just feel like, when this is a general reading, every one of you matters. Okay, every one of you who is watching for their own no contact, for their own feelings, every one of you matter. Okay, so write down your story today in the comment section. Krishna is gonna read it. Krishna told me this, that make them write their story today. So even if you're a single person who's writing your story, Krishna's gonna read it. I don't care if there are, multiple people writing their stories. Krishna is gonna read it. Okay? And every one of you matter. And trust me when I say this, have faith. Have faith in God. He has solutions for every one of you. Okay? He has solutions for every one of you. Do not let this, how do we say, do not let this be your own battle sometimes. Okay, because there is positivity and negativity everywhere. Okay, so don't make this a solo battle. Okay, I know you're strong, I know you got the strength card. I know you are strong. Okay, but then yeah, so Krishna is saying that he's fighting all of your battles for you. So have faith. They have solutions. Krishna has solutions for every one of you, and you're gonna get married to this person. Very strong, like this reading. Okay, if you want this person, if today I'm gonna tell you this. Today, if you say that you don't want this person, then don't watch your no contact, what they did to you. If you feel like, yes, I want this person, then like this video. Okay, if you want this person, like this video, and write down in the comment section how you feel. Okay, if you don't want to, if you're already a achiever, if you're already moving on, if you're already going ahead of your time, just write down, I want this person, I want to marry this person. This is 3333. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Your personal readings, you can book your personal readings on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so you receive my notification as soon as I post my video. A lots of love, a lots of kisses to every one of my subscribers, viewers. Okay, God bless you guys. Radhe Radhe har kisi ko. Bye bye.